Nagpatuloy kahapon ang PG Flex Linoleum Universities and Colleges Basketball League Invitational Tournament 2023. Sino nga ba ang mga nanaig sa quarterfinals para makapasok sa semis? Nagbabalik si Darren Oclares.
Kumpleto na ang Final Four na bumubuo sa semi-final cast ng PG Flex Linoleum Universities and Colleges Basketball League Invitational Tournament 2023 matapos ang tatlong maaksyong quarterfinals game kahapon. Buwan naman ang laban ng wala pang panalo na Philippine Women's University at ang second seed na St. Clair College of Caloocan. Gamit ang mahigpit na depensa ay mabilis na nakalayo ang St. Clair sa PWU para makuha ang 100-68 na panalo at makakuha ng pwesto sa semifinals. 6 naman lalaro ng St. Clair ang nagpamalas ng double-digit performance kabilang na ang SEC guard na si Eugene Cabawata na nakapagposte ng 16 na puntos.
Masaya syempre kasi first time din namin na sasali ng UCBL. Tsaka ngayon lang din ako naglaro sa UCBL kaya masaya na nakapasok kami sa semis. Nakaka-boost din ng confidence sa bawat teammate namin tsaka sa team namin yung panalo kasi syempre masarap pa rin maglaro ng galing sa panalo tsaka laking tulong din ng kalaban namin kasi marami kami tutunan sa kanila na magagamit namin sa susunod na game namin.
Aarangkada rin sa susunod na round ang Ateneo de Manila University na pinataob ang Centro Escolar University 92-74. Nanguna para sa Blue Eagles si Sean Tuano na nakapagtala ng 22 points mula sa 8 out of 14 shooting na dinagdagan pa ng 9 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Sa paniyam naman ng PTV Sports kay Ateneo head coach Tab Baldwin, nilahad niya na magandang karanasan ito para sa kupunan na unti-unti pang ginagamay ang estilo ng paglalaro ng basketball dito sa Pilipinas.
Well, this is our group of young players that we've got here, and they've got a lot to learn both about our culture, our systems, as well as, you know, the Philippine style of play, because a lot of these boys are Phil-Ams and Phil-Foreigners, and so the adaptation process to the Philippine style of play is something they all have to go through, and tournaments like this are really good for, you know, educating them in that process, and obviously working with our coaches helps them learn the system. So we don't come in with huge expectations. We don't come in, you know, so focused on the outcomes of the games and the tournament. We're much more focused about their development and learning how to play here in the Philippines with the style of play, the referees, the competition, and the conditions. And we know that we get a good dose of that here in this competition.
Huling nakapasok sa Final Four ang University of the East sa pangunguna ng 24 points ni Noy Remogat para talunin naman ang Olivares College sa isang madikit na laban na nagtapos sa score na 102-95. Samantala, inimbitahan naman ni PG Flex Linoleum Representative Neil Guevara ang lahat ng basketball fans na dumalo at panoorin ang mga parating na playoff games ng naturang torneo.
I'd like to invite you all. It's for sure magiging exciting to yung mga quarters, semis, and finals. And eventually we'll see who the best team is. So for all these teams, good luck to all of you and may the best team win.
Gaganapin sa July 29 ang semifinals ng Invitational Tournament kung saan twice to beat ang number 1 team na San Sebastian College Recoletos. Darren Oclares, PTV Sports.